Having trouble with 5G not working on your Samsung phone? It might be due to wrong settings or network issues. But don't worry, I've got some easy fixes that can help you solve it quickly. Let's get started and fix the problem step by step. First, open dialer, type *#* 4636 #*#*. Tap phone info, scroll down to disable mobile radio power. After that, turn it back on. After that, turn on the 5G option on your Samsung phone. Open settings, tap connection, tap mobile network, tap network mode, select 5G LTE 23. If you already select this option, then select 3G only. After that, enable airplane mode for 30 seconds. Now go back and again select 5G LTE 23. Solution 1. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General Management, scroll down again, tap Reset, scroll down, now tap Reset all settings, then tap Reset settings, again tap Reset, wait for a while. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching.